Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hey everyone, and today we're finally checking out the brand new Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. And trust me, this thing already feels special before I even turn it on. Let's stop wasting time and jump straight into the unboxing. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Okay, that unboxing sound is so satisfying. And wow, look at this color. This is sunset purple, blending purple and orange into this crazy looking gradient. It instantly stands out. You'll also notice there's no pre-installed screen protector. That's because Huawei is using Kunlun Glass, which is built to handle scratches and drops much better than normal glass. Seriously, just look at this design. Huawei's gradient style has become a signature for the Pura lineup. I actually brought my older Huawei Pura 90 Pro for comparison. It had a similar color-shifting finish too. It still works perfectly, and seeing the old fingerprint scanner now honestly feels nostalgic. Now, the Pro Max takes that same design and makes it feel way more premium. The texture, the grip, everything feels more refined in the hand. It definitely gives flagship vibes. Inside the box, Huawei includes a transparent case, and honestly, I'd recommend using it first. It protects the phone without hiding this beautiful color. Buying a phone that looks this good and then covering it completely just feels wrong. Now check this out. The charger is tiny. This is Huawei's 100W Sugar Cube charger. It supports super fast charging, but the crazy part is the size. It's way smaller than most fast chargers out there. Now back to the phone. One of the biggest highlights is this emotional color design. Let me take the case off again because this finish really deserves attention. If you already know the official name of this color, drop it in the comments. The phone is already activated and it's running HarmonyOS 6.1. We'll set things up first, then get into the fun stuff. One feature I genuinely like is the selfie system. You don't need to constantly hit the shutter button or think about poses. The phone can actually recognize the environment and suggest gestures and framing automatically. For normal users, this is a huge deal because most people aren't professional models or photographers. It makes good-looking selfies way easier. The camera hardware is also seriously impressive. You get a huge sensor plus dual telephoto cameras for detailed shots at different zoom levels. During Huawei's launch event, Mr. Yu even showed bird photography in Africa at 20x zoom, and the details were still incredibly sharp. Even the feathers and tiny details around the eyes were visible. And yes, that scratch-resistant reflective glass we talked about earlier, Huawei is clearly very confident in it. Under sunlight, the back creates this bright, reflective effect that looks super premium. Even indoors, it already catches the light beautifully. Also, these bezels are insanely thin. The phone feels comfortable, not overly curved, not too flat either. It actually feels practical, especially for gaming. The camera module naturally rests in your hand, which surprisingly makes gaming and taking photos more comfortable. I'll also be uploading a full camera comparison against other flagship phones very soon, and some of the results honestly surprised me. So make sure to subscribe and join the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!